guided meditation journey for chakra balancing and inner temple access. Welcome, dear traveler, to this sacred journey of grounding and deep connection within. I invite you now to find a quiet and comfortable space, a sanctuary where your spirit can wander freely. So allow yourself to settle in, breathing softly, becoming aware of the weight of your body, the gentle rise and fall of your breath. And as you begin to find stillness, let the outside world begin to fade away. Now, let's take a moment to prepare your breath for this sacred experience. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs with nourishing energy. And as you exhale, let go of any tension, any worries that cling to your mind, releasing them into the air. Let each breath cleanse and refresh you. Inhale, hold for a moment, and exhale, letting everything that no longer serves you slip away. Continue this gentle rhythm of breath, in and out. And with every inhalation, you invite calmness, and with each exhale, a deeper sense of peace washes over you. As we begin our journey, I invite you to visualize a staircase before you, a staircase that leads to your inner temple. With each step down, you dive deeper into a state of relaxation. 10. Stepping down, feeling anchored to the earth. 9. Deeper still, like a soft feather drifting into serenity. 8. Each breath relaxing you as you descend. 7. Stepping into tranquility. 6. Feeling safe and secure. 5. Halfway into the depths of your being. 4. Surrendering to the soothing shadows of your inner sanctuary. 3. Deeper now. 2. Almost at the bottom. 1. And you arrive at the threshold of your sacred space. Here, within your inner temple, the air is rich with the scent of ancient wisdom, and the sound of soft whispers echoes in the chambers of your soul. You can see shimmering lights dancing along the walls, each color representing the energy of your chakras. As you step forward, you become aware of these vibrant energies within yourself, each one calling gently for your attention. I invite you now to place your awareness on the base of your spine. Visualize a glowing red sphere, radiating warmth and stability. Allow this grounding energy to fill you up. Feel it connect you to the earth beneath you. Now, move your awareness up to your sacral chakra, glowing bright orange. Allow the flow of creativity to pulse through you. Each breath awakens your passion. Next, let your energy rise to your solar plexus, a radiant yellow ball of light. It is here you reclaim your power. Feel your confidence grow with each breath you draw. As your awareness shifts to your heart chakra, feel a beautiful green glow, enveloping you in love and compassion. Open your heart to receive and give love effortlessly. Continuing to rise, visualizing your throat chakra, a soft blue light, beckoning words of clarity and truth. Speak your truth freely and without fear. Finally, you reach the crown chakra, infinite violet light. Open yourself to the universe's boundless energy. As these 7 energies harmonize within your being, you are perfectly balanced, connected to the cosmic fabric that weaves us all together. Now, gently, I invite you to integrate these energies as you step back into your temple. And with each deep breath, feel the vibrations align, anchoring these energies into your body. And know that you can return to this harmony at any moment. Feel the warm glow of balance wrapping around you, sustaining you in all that you do. And now, it's time to return, slowly and gently. I will count from 1 to 5, bringing you back to the awareness of your body, ready to awaken refreshed and rejuvenated. 1. Becoming aware of your breath. 2. Feeling the surface beneath you. 3. As energy begins to flow back into your limbs. 4. Your eyes may begin to flutter. And 5. When you're ready, gently awaken more fully into this moment. As you return, carry with you the peace of your inner temple and the balance of your chakras. Allow this feeling to empower your day-to-day experience. Remember, the energy of grounding and harmony is always within your reach. Whenever you feel the need, you can close your eyes, go within, and immerse yourself in this beautiful sanctuary. Thank you for journeying today. Blessed be. As you move through your day, take a moment to recall the sensations of your inner temple. Let that feeling of peace and connection guide you. Practice embracing each breath as a way to ground yourself and align your chakras throughout your daily activities.